I don't mind the taser, but I wish it was manual. It requires no skill to use her. That's the problem. Nice, move out the way. I'm about to send one, bro. Sacrifice style.
Ow!
Well, you killed somebody. I killed somebody, but it was my teammate. I'm so sorry, Dice. I'm so sorry. I was like, yeah, look at me. I'm about to be like Sacrifice, and then fucking Nice. You know, minding his business, going on about his day, caught an RPG in the face. Oh, there's a Zloy. There's a Zloy. Fuck it. Suicide. You saw that Sacrifice? Yeah.
Ow!
No truck coming.
Oh, I'm about to fucking pin that truck. I don't think I got it. Oh, did I get the truck now? Oh,
fuck,
I
sorry,
died.
Sticky. Yeah, I gotcha.
Got a guy coming in on the right.
Got a guy on the left with the RPGs, boy, coming in.
Off the right.
Okay, Sacrifice, I take it back. I want the RPG back now. I just caught somebody from across the map.
Yeah, let's send this shit back that way again.
Coming in.
Come on, look.
I think the RPG all depends on map awareness, 100%. Because you gotta know where people like to hang out at.
I'm dead too. Bleed.
Come this way. I'm here,
Lot of fucking gas here.
Sacrifice, I'm not Sacrifice. Willits is my friend now. Alright, let me see how to do this. Let's see what I get. Well, I didn't throw it at you. Nah, dude, I would use shotgun on Moses 100%, but I do not have a Mark 6 shotgun.
They're throwing a lot of gas, man.
Oh yeah, they like. Yeah. Oh, I'm about to die. I don't know what's happening. I'm dead, guys. I'm bringing the bag to you, Knife. It's your last.
Yep.
Oh, there's a mine there. Who's going to got a grenade launcher?
I'm coming back, right? I'm sending shit left. Oh.
I'm about to go kill this Diana. Fucking shit. Oh, I found the Diana. She's dead. I'm about to put the BBs on. Yeah, she's dead. I'm about to put the BBs on this boy. Who was that? That was you, Zach.
This shit is mathematically impossible for these bitches.
That's Red would say. I'm tango now, baby. I'm doing tango. Is it experimental or no? Oh yeah, this
I'm down,
he
but
kept rushing at me. He rushed at me with Boy without rolling. He probably got it today. Or he just bought it off the store. Oh! Oh! I got him with the Cardo. I'm dead.
Bitch, you're gonna laugh? You got one fucking. You lost 96 to 44. You got
that Knife?
one kill.
Knife sounds like an aggressive shooter.
Extreme weather.
Put it together.